It was a disaster, man. It was our first day of shooting. It was like, we thought we're gonna shoot 3 scenes until 6 p.m. from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. So 3 locations, 3 hours each. We end up finishing the movie at like 4 in the morning, 4 a.m. in the morning. And it's a disaster, man. It was raining, everybody got sick. In the first location, not anything is ready. So we packed the mics and all that and luggage, but although we have a 15 people crew waiting on us, we're there like 3 people who actually knows the job. So there we are trying to unpack the mics that we packed on their boxes so they don't get damaged. I don't know, like recorder end up not working. Recorder is a thing that you place on your camera that actually disables the recording function of your camera, and it works as a recorder for your camera. So you can get more power out of your camera. But well, anyway, recorder didn't work. We end up putting the memory stick to the wrong slot on the camera, so the recording got wasted. And it was a disaster, man. Man, was it painful it was. It could be the most painful day in my life. And I mean it, because like at 5 a.m. in the morning, we're having a fight. We're gonna kill each other. After everybody went to sleep, I just got out of the hotel room and I just, like in the middle of Istiklal Street in Istanbul, I am fucking crying in the middle of it. No one is there. I'm like, what the fuck? And I'm just crying and everybody is just glad that no one was there, but everybody was just looking and just passing away. It was 5 in the morning and man, such a pain. But then you cry, cause like as a producer, you gotta stand strong for your crew. Cause imagine that, like your producer is crying, like, and then the whole thing is like, it's like a pyramid, but it's standing upside down and you're the only thing that holds it up. Imagine that, like you cannot show your emotions too. Well, you can, but you don't cry. Unless it's about your sister got pregnant or gave it a birth or something, that's fine. But then you cannot just cry. Production going sucks. You usually cry at night when you're alone. But then I pull myself together, so I call everyone. I say tomorrow's shoot is canceled. Everybody take a break. I need a break. So I pull myself up, I just take crew members to a great breakfast place. We're having a great day. I just show them around Istanbul, and the day later, we were back on track. We shot like 20 scenes in Istanbul in 4 days. And I mean, it was, well, if ever got seen me crying, that was that. I mean, if it's a third person. So, but you guys already know I don't believe in third person.